Hello everyone, welcome to Roni Tuitions. Maths has fun. Today we are going to learn that maths 10th standard statistics in that there are the three things are there: mean, mode, median. So first we are going to learn the mean. Mean in that there are two type are there: ungrouped data, mean for the ungrouped data, mean for grouped data. Now what do we mean by the grouped, ungrouped data and grouped data? Grouped data that are the in that class intervals and frequency are given, that is called the grouped data. Ungrouped data that are randomly given. That let's finding the mean for the ungrouped data first. Ungrouped, suppose that any numbers are given, find the mean of given following numbers, mean of first five natural numbers, natural numbers. So how to find it? First of all, we have to know that what are the natural numbers. Natural numbers are those numbers which starts from the 1 2 3 and infinites. So natural number 1 2 3 4 and 5, starting 5 natural numbers. So 1 2 3 4 5, these are the starting or first 5 natural number. Now we are going to find the mean of that. So these are the first. To find the mean is equal to, first of all, sum means we are adding them, sum of observations by total observation means how much total these are. Let the example taking this one: 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, and total number how much are there? 1 2 3 4 5 numbers are there. So divided by 5. So 1 to 5 numbers, how much it will be? It will be the 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. The mean of this given data is 5. Let the another one example we are taking. Find the mean of the given data: 0 2 5 3 0 9 8. Find the mean of these data. So what will be the mean of these data? First of all, we have to add all the mean of the sum of the observation by total observation. So sum of that: 0 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 0 plus 9 plus 8 divided by total. How much numbers are these? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So divided by 7. Now we are adding them all. So how much it will become? 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 17, 9 plus 8 17, 10 plus 17 is equal to 27. So 27 divided by 7, 27 divided by 7, we are dividing it and we are writing. So 27 divided by 7 is equal to 3 point. Now 27 divided by the 7, 3s are 21, remainder 6 point taken, 0 kept. The 7 8s are 56, 4 0 5s are 35, 5 50. Then it will come the 6 jar. Now after that point, if you are finding the that up to that 4 digit you should find, up to the 4 digit. Now let's say 3 digit only here. So 8 5 6. The mean of this given data is a 3.856. Now these are the ungrouped data. Now we are going to find the grouped data. Now what are the grouped data? In grouped data, we have to know that CI have to be in the class interval. Lower classes you read that what are the CI means. In that it is given CI class interval. Then it will come the frequency. Then we have to find the X. Now X always have to be find by this CI in CI only. How to find the X? What are the lower limit plus upper limit? X is equal to lower limit plus upper limit, that is called the highest limit, upper limit by 2, that is called the X. In that, let's we are taking the example of that anyone. Suppose that I taken the 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40. Let's this much example we are taking how to find that one X. In that, frequency is here 2 1 2 5 3, that has frequency taken in that. Now what is the X? In that, X means that 0 plus 10, 0 plus 10 divide by 2, that is the 10 by 2 is equal to 5. So x it will become 5. Always have to find the x from the CI only from the CI. Next CI what will become? 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is equal to what? 30 divided by the 2 is equal to 15. Here it will come 15. Now to next, no need to calculate it. What are the difference in that? What is the height in that difference? 0 to 10. 10 difference is there. 10 to 20. 10 difference is there. So in that also will be 10. 10 difference will be 5. 15. 15 plus 10 25. 25 plus 10 35 it will become. Easily you can calculate it. No need to do all the sums to waste the time. Now to find the mean of that, so we are writing fi xi. I means limit here. I means limit from 0 to infinite. Our numbers are there here. So 0 to 40 limit will be there. So here fi xi multiplying of this one. 1 into 5 5. 2 into 15 30. 25 into 5 125. 35 3 ja 35 into 3 105. Now we are doing this adding of the x, f adding. This is called the sigma f. Sigma means summation. This sign is called the summation sign. Summation sigma. Okay, so how much it will become? 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 5 11 it will become. It is 11. Now if we are adding this one all, so what will be the 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15. 1 carry. 3 and 3 6 and 1 plus 1 2. So this is the become the 265. Now what is the formula to find the mean of that? This is called the direct method. It is called the direct method. There are the three methods are there. One is called the direct method. One is called the assumed method. One is called the step deviation method. In that your book 3 also given, but in exam you can do by any method. It is given all three method given in your book, but you can do in any one, whichever you are feeling or which you are comfortable in that. If it is asked question yeah, you have to apply the assumed method, then you have to do by assumed method only, but mostly not asking that one. Now what is the sigma, that is this one, sigma fi xi is equal to 265. Now formula for finding the mean of the direct method. This is called the direct method. CI class interval, frequency, x, fi xi. Then it is called the direct method. Fi x always have to calculate it from the upper limit. This is called the upper limit. This is called the lower limit. In that this is upper limit, this is lower limit, upper limit and lower limit, upper limit, lower limit. In that adding and dividing by the 2, that is called the x in that. So now x bar of this one. X bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. I means limit here. Don't take tension about that. Okay, what is the I note in that I is the limit. In that it is 0 to 40 is limit here. 0 to 40. In that it is limit 0 to 5 or 1 to 5 highest number. In that also up to the 35 highest number, that is you will read in the second POC or 12th standard. Limit and derivations in that. So now what is the fi we found? We found the 265 divided by the 11. If we divide this 265 divide by the 11, 11 2s are 22. Now remainder become the 4, 45. 11 4s are 44. 44. Now 1 point kept, 0 kept, not going, again 0 kept, 100 become 9 ja 99, and it will be continuous like this only. So what will be that answer of this number? The mean of this given data is 24.09999, and it will be continued like this only. 090909 like this. 090909. In that it will be continued like this only. Now this is called the that is called the direct method. Now we are going to learn the assumed method. Assumed method also will be like this. We are taking the example of the books question we are taking, and we are solving by the three methods. So first question number 1, in that it is given in book, it is given first question number 1 given. A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their convenient awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding of the numbers of the plant in the 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plant as per house. Which method did you use the finding the mean and why? Now the same question I will do by the three methods also. Then we find the why we have to use the which method. Now first of all I am writing the CI of this lesson. So first in that CI given, CI, then F given in that. So what is the CI given in that? CI given in that 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10 and 10 to 12 or 12 to 14. This is given the CI in that. F given in that given the 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. This is given the F in that. Now this we are on this number on this question we are doing the three method also. All three methods we are doing. The first one it is giving the direct method. Direct method first. Then assumed method, then step deviation method. In that now we are going to find the x as I said to you, x always from the CI, middle of that means lower limit plus upper limit divide by the 2. 0 plus 2, here 0 plus 2 divide by 2 is equal to what become? 2 by 2 is equal to 1. 0 plus 2, 2 only, and 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So now we are writing 2. Now what is the difference between this all? In that it is continuous CI. In that the 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 2 difference are there. In that also 2 difference will come. So here will come 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 12 plus 2, 2 difference will come. Sorry, here it is 1, then here 3 division of that 1. Sorry, here I 1 written, but here it is gone to that 3. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 11 and 11 plus 2 13. Sorry, here it is written 1. Now we are finding it Fi in that. So Fi means what? F and x multiplication. So 1 into 1, 1. 2 3 ja 6, 1 5 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35, 6 9 ja 54, then 11 2 ja 22, 13 3 ja 39. Now what? We have to add the sigma f, sigma fi. Sigma fi means what? We have to add this all. How much become? 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 7 10 plus 7 17, 17 plus 3 20. It become the 20. Now we are adding this one all. 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 5 7 plus 10 17, 17 plus 6 23, 23 plus 9 23, 32, 3 carry 3 3 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 5 11 plus 5 16, 162. So we got the sigma fi xi, we got the 162. Now we are writing the direct formula. What is the formula? X bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. I means limit only. X bar is equal to 162 divided by the 20. Then it become the 8.1. 8.1 like that. If it is addition is again once we can see, then mean of these given data are the plants that is kept, that is 8.1 plants. Now we are going to assumed method. Assumed method also will be the same type only. Same it is CI written. CI it is 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12 or 12 to 14. This is the CI given. F given in that. F frequency. F means frequency. 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. This is given the F. Now X we find it in that. X we find it 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. That we found the X. Now we are finding this by the assumed method. Assumed method means we have to see first what will be the answer first only. In that we think it let it be this will be the answer of this in assumed method. Now we have to think let this will be the answer, and that is always thought in the x only. As we found the x here in this x we found it, like that we have to think what will be the let in that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 numbers are there. Middle number we think 1 2 3 4, and upside also let this will be the our x bar. Assume done. You can do assume first 1 3 5 any number you can be we can anyone, but suppose that in middle number this will be our that is the a we thought, assumed a we thought in that. Now we are finding in that x minus, that is called the di fi xi we are doing here we are doing fi xi, but here what we have to do, we have to find the di means difference of that number, x minus a. Di is equal to x minus a, means in that x minus a we have to do to 1 minus 7 means it is 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 6. We assumed it. A is equal to 7 we thought. A is equal to 7 we thought in that. So that xi di is equal to x minus a. X is equal to 1 and a is equal to 7. So we are 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 6. Then 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 4. Then 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2. Then 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. And 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. And 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. That we got the now di. Now we are doing fi xi. Here we will do the fi di. D means what? Here difference we got in that assume done. Assume, let the assume, always assume have to be done only in the x. Only in the x we have to do. Now we have to multiply these two numbers. 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 6 only. 2 into 4 is equal to 8, and that is minus 1 into minus 2 only. 5 into 0 0. 6 into 2 that is the 12. 2 into 4 is equal to 8, and 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Now which are the minus, which are the plus, that we have to separately doing. Now there we are doing the fi xi. Here also we do the fi xi. So how much that are not changed, 20 only it is. Now fi di how much? Minus how much become? Minus 6, minus 8 and minus 2. So that see minus plus 8 minus 8 cancelled up. Otherwise this is separately adding. Minus 6 minus 8 minus 2 is equal to become the minus 16. Now these are separately. 12 plus 8 20. 20 plus 18 is equal to 38. So plus 38 minus 16 means 38 minus 16. So we can see, I can show you here, 38 minus 16 is equal to 2. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So what we got? Sigma fi di we got the is equal to 12. What we got? 12. Now after this we are writing the formula. After that we are writing formula. What formula? X bar is equal to a. A what is a? A means assumed. Where what we assumed? 7 we assumed here. 7 is plus. What is that? Same fi di sigma fi di by sigma fi. So what is x bar is equal to a, what we thought? A 7. In that we 7 thought the 7 plus fi di how much we got? 12 by fi di how much? 20. Now x bar is equal to this number we are dividing. So this is become the 7 plus this number, it will become the 0.6 in that. So we are doing it, dividing it, and after that we are adding it. So it will become that number. Then if we are dividing that 7 plus 22 by 20, then it will come the 1.1 it will come. 22 divided by the 20, 1 ja 20, then it will be remaining 20. Point kept and 1 ja. So 1.7 plus 1.1 is equal to 8.1. So mean of this type also it will come. That time it came 8.1. Now also we got the 8.1. Now we are going to do the third method. Third method, what? In that, what have to do? Same only, that assumed method. Ci is there, fi is there, f is there, x already you know how to find, because of lower limit plus upper limit divide by the 2. Then you have to find the di. Di means what? In that you have to assume any number, anyone. You can assume 1, 3, 5, 9, any number you can assume. That is, suppose that this will be the answer of that. Then x minus that number. Then whatever the di coming, that is the f and di, fi and di. Fi and di both are multiplied. Then you have to find the sigma fi di. Then you have to find the sigma fi. Then you dividing it a. This will be the formula for that one to find the. Now we are going same question by the step deviation method. This is the first method, we done the direct method. Second we done the assumed method. Now we are doing the third one, that is the step deviation method. In step deviation method, nothing changes, is same only step deviation method. In step deviation method, also we have to do same only. First we are writing the ci. Then ci it is given 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 10 to 12, and 12 to 14. Then fi, that is the fi already given in that. What fi given? Fi given in that 1 to 1 5, 1 to 1 5, 1 to 1 5, and 6 to 3, 6 to 3. This is the fi given in the book already. Now we have to find the x. So already x we found, that is the 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Now we have to find the di is equal to x minus a, and a we thought in that 7, we thought the a, 7 we thought the a in that. So it is, we got that same here. We got the minus 6 minus 4 minus 2 0, minus 6 minus 4 minus 2 0. Again it will become the reverse only in that. 2 4 6, 2 4 6. Now in this, after that it will starts, we have to find the in that ui. So this is the di. Now ui means what? That is the division of that. What is the highest range of this one? Means what is the height of this one? Height of the ci means what is the difference? That is called the h. That is called the, we thought a is equal to 7, we thought h. What is the difference in that? 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 2 to 4, 4 to 6. In that there are the 2 difference are there, so h will become the 2. Before that I took a one example. In that example there is the h is equal to 10, because of there are the 10 difference are there in that. 10 difference are there in that. So it is called the h. So that ui is equal to di by h. Di by h. What is the highest number in that? What is the difference in that? That is called the h in that. Maybe the 5, 10, 20, whatever the numbers are difference in ci coming, that one. So this number have to divide by the h. H means what is the number in that? H is equal to 2. So 6 minus 6 divided by minus 6 divided by 2 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 will come. Then minus 2 will come, then minus 1 will come, 0 will come, then 1 will come, 2 will come, and 3 will come. This is the ui. Now we are finding the fi ui. There we are writing fi xi. That is the direct method. Now then it is called the assumed method, fi di. Now that step deviation method, fi ui. In that ui is equal to nothing, just di by h only. It is the some little modified version of that assumed method only. So now fi ui means fi and ui, this is should be multiplied in that. So 1 into minus 3 minus 3, then 2 into minus 2 minus 4, then 1 into minus 1 minus 1 only, then 5 into 0 0, then 6 into 1 6, then 2 into 2 4, then 3 into 3 9. Now that time this will be the always sigma fi have to calculate it, that is always 20 only. Now in that time we are making that sigma fi ui, addition of this one, this we are adding. So this is -3, -4, -1. So it will become the -8. And plus what becomes 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 9, 19 become. Plus become 19. So 19 minus 8 is equal to 11. Is equal to 11. We got it 11 we got. Now we are writing the formula to find the step deviation method. What is the step deviation method? X bar is equal to A plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. H means what? Height. What is the difference in that? Now we are keeping the values into this formula. So what is that? X bar is equal to A we thought the 7 plus fi ui, how much we got? 11 by fi what we got? 20 into what is the h? H is equal to 2. H is equal to what is the difference in that? H is equal to 2. We are cancelling it. 2 1 ja 2, 2 10 ja. Now 7 plus 11 by 10. 11 by 10 means 1.1. 7 plus 1.1 is equal to 8.1. Now all it will come the same only. That this also the same mean only. Now which method we have to use? In this question asked why we have to use and which method. So we have to use the in that first method. Why? Because of starting method, this method is the small, datas are small in that. Datas are small and it is the easy one also, because of the table is become the small. Otherwise direct method going we have to find here di. If step deviation method going we are finding the ui, then that are the big method. The datas are small, we are finding the direct method. This will be the answer. So answer of question number 1 by the 3 method done. Now we are taking question number 2 in our exercise, and that is done by the only one method. Whichever method likes that you can use, all will come the same method only. Now I am doing the questions in that question number 2 by direct method doing. There question number 2 it is given like this. Question number 2 given. Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. This is the daily wages. This is the frequency. Find the mean daily wages of worker of the factory by using an appropriate method. Appropriate method means you can use the any one method. You can use the direct method. You can use the step deviation method. You can use the assumed method. Let's I am doing it by the first one, direct method. Then we will do the next question. We will do the step deviation or any methods. So first it is given CI. Then it will given the fi. We have to find the x. Because of I am doing it by the any method I have to do, we have to find the xi. Then direct method I am doing, so fi xi it will come. Now what are the numbers? Numbers are given 500 to 520. 500 to 500 to 520. Then 520 to 520 to 540. 20 difference are there. Then 540 to 560. Then 560 to 580. Then 580 to 600. This is given CI hour. Now F given in that 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. Now we can use in the direct method also, or step deviation also. We can use the assumed also. We are doing first direct method. So now first we are finding the xi. How to find the xi? Again these two numbers are that two numbers are added, means upper limit plus lower limit divided by the 2. xi is equal to upper limit plus lower limit by 2. Upper limit plus lower limit by 2. That is that. So what is that in that? 500 plus 520 divided by 2 is equal to 1020 divided by 2 is equal to what will come? 510. What will come? 510. Now I written 510 here. Now no need to calculate next also. Why? Because of whatever the difference is there, what is the h in that? H. Difference in that. What is that height of that? Range of that one. So 510 to 20, then 10 came. This 10, 20, 20 difference. In that also 20, 20. So 520 adding then 30 will come. 520 adding then 550 will come. 520 adding then 570 will come. 570 plus 20 adding then 590 will come. Now we have to multiply this one. This number multiplying it. So this number if we are doing the assumed method, little easy will happen because of datas are big in that. But no problem, we are multiplying it. So 0 will come, 12 1 ja 12, 2, 1 carry, 12 5 are 60 plus 1, 61. This much will come. Now this one we are multiplying, 0 kept, 14 3 are 42, 4 carry, 14 5 are 70 plus 4, 74 will come. Like that only, in that we are writing it 0, 5 8 are 40, 4 carry, 40 plus 4, 44 will come. Again 6 0 are 6 7 are 42, 4 carry, 30 plus 4, 34 will come. Then this will come 5900. Now we are adding it, sigma fi. How much it we adding it? 12 plus 14, 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus 14, this will become the 34, 34 plus 6 40, 40 plus 10 50. The sigma fi will become the 50. Now we have to add sigma fi xi, we have to add in that. We are adding, it will come the 0 last, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 9 22, 2 carry, 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 7, 15 plus 7 22 plus 5, 22 plus 5 27. This much it will come. Then this we are finding, writing formula, x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. If you like the video, please share the video to your friends to help them out also. Share, subscribe the channel if you are new on my channel, and like it, so that you can say next time when you want to get the confusion, you can directly find the video where it is. Now sigma x bar is equal to sigma fi xi 27260 by 50. 0 0 cancel. Now we are dividing it. For 2726 divided by the 5. So what will come? 5 5s are 25. 2 remainder, taken down the 2, 2 4 5 4s are 20, then 2 26, 5s are 25, 1, and it will become the 0.2. So what answer we got? X bar is equal to 545.45.2. The mean of this data are the 545.2. 545.2. Now like this, if the data are the big, you can do the assumed method or step deviation method also you can be done. This is the question number 2 in our exercise question number 2. This was the question number 1, first we done. Now we are doing question number 3 in our textbook, question number 3. And question number 3 says that question number 3 in that says, the following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of the children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance, already mean given in that, x bar given, x bar is equal to 18 rupees. Find the missing frequency f. So in that ci given, fi given, fi in that it one missing is there, that we have to find. X bar already given in that. So first we are finding the xci writing. Then what we have to write? We have to write the f. Then what we have to find? The x bar. X we are finding. Then what we have to do? Fi xi we are doing. This much things we do, and in that x bar already given in that. X bar already given. X bar is equal to 18, already given in that. Now we are writing this one. If you like the video, please share the video to help out your friends, and like it to find the next time also when you are getting the confusion. How to find the x? In that, x means in that middle of the number, upper limit plus lower limit by 2. So in that given 11 by 13, 13 by 15, 15 by 17, and 17 to 19, and then 19 to 21, and then 21 to 23, and 23 to 25. Now frequency given 7 plus 6 and 9, 13, then f. Here f given, then 5 and 4. This given. Fi we have to find, fi xi we have to find out. We are finding first xi. So what is xi means? What we have to adding it and divide by the 2. 11 plus 13 divided by 2 is equal to 24, divided by 2 is equal to 12. So here 12 will come. What is the difference in that? 2 difference. 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 2 22, 22 plus 2 24. These are the xi we founded. But in that we written it, but here in that it fi xi will come, that will be the differential will come. Now we are multiplying. 12 7 ja 84, then 14 6 ja 84, 16 9 ja 16 9 ja. Now we are multiplied it. There's 19 6 are 144, 18 13, multiply then 234, then 20 into f 20f, 22 plus 510 and 24 4 ja 96. Now we added it. This will be the 44 plus f, because of here nothing given. So we are adding it. 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 13 26, 26 plus 9 26 plus 9 it will 35, 35 plus 9 is equal to 44 and plus f. This we are adding, then it will come the 752 plus 20f, this one 20f. Now already in that x bar given, we are writing the formula. What is the formula? X bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. X bar is equal to 18 given, 18 plus this how much given, 752 plus 20f by how much, sigma fi 44 plus f given, this given. Now we are doing the cross multiplication of these numbers. Because of here we can think 1, we are cross multiplying it. So this cross multiplying, it will come like this. 44 into 18, 44 into 18 we are doing here. Let 8 4 ja 32, 3 carry 4, 32 plus 3 35, then it will be 44, 2 9 7, 792 plus 18 f, this into f is equal to this 752 plus 20 f. Now this number we are taken going this side, this will take, so 18f minus this will come, the 20f is equal to 752 and this number will minus 792. Then what will become, minus 2f, 20 minus 18 2f, 2f minus 2f is equal to, in that how much it remaining, 40. Then minus 40, minus minus cancel, f is equal to 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20. So what will be the f is equal to 20, we got f is equal to 20, we got in that f is equal to 20 we got. So we are finding the frequency. Let we are doing the another question of this one, question number 4. Let all the questions doing. So question number 4, in that question number 4 given, 30 women are examined in a hospital by a doctor and the number of the heartbeat are per minute were recorded and summarized as follows. Find the mean heartbeat per minute for these women, choosing a suitable method. You can do the assumed method, you can do the step deviation method, you can do the direct method. So anyone in that also. So let's be choosing that all in that which question we should do. Question number 5 is that given, in a retail market, fruit vendor were selling mangoes kept in his packing boxes. These boxes contain varying number of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. Find the mean number of mangoes kept in packing box. Which method of finding the mean did you choose? Here also numbers are big, so that step deviation method will be the good. Now number 6, to find the below. The table below shows the daily expenditure of the food of 25 household in the locality, means f total f, sigma f is equal to 25 given in that, and we find the mean by daily expenditure on food by a suitable method. Any method we can do. Next question in that it is given, to find out the concentration of sulfur dioxide, SO2, sulfur dioxide in the air in per part per million, ppm, that is the ppm, to the data was collected for 30 localities, means sigma f is equal to 30 in a certain city and is presented below. Find the mean concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air. In that it is point after the point given, multiplication only have to do, it is small data, so that direct method will be good. A class teacher in that all, let's randomly I picked up one question, that is to do the question number 9. Let the question number 9 we are doing one more. After that remaining question will be your homework. So So question number 9, what given in that? The following table gives the literacy rate of in percentage of 35 cities. Sigma F is equal to 35. Find the mean literacy rate. Now first of all, it is given the CI. We are going to write it. CI given in that 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75, and 75 to 85, and 85 to 95. F given in that 3, 10, 11, 8, 3. Now which method we want in that? So X must be there. Fi we have to find out. Then direct method only doing Fi Xi. We can do the assumed method that also, but it is table with the small, so that time will be saved up. In that Xi 45 plus 55, 45 plus 55 divide by 2 is equal to 100, divide by 2 is equal to 50. So 50, what is the difference in that? There are the 10 difference. So 10 difference we are adding in that. So it will become the 10 difference, it will come. These are written the Xi directly without calculated only. Because of 10 difference in the 10 Fi Xi, in that we are multiplying it. 53 is 150. 60 10 is 600. 70 11 is 170. 88 is 640. 93 is 270. Now sigma Fi. Already it is given 35. Already given it 35. So 35. This we are adding. 0 will come. 5 7 12. 12 plus 11 23. 2 carry. 8 plus 7 15. 15 plus 8. 15 plus 8 23. 23. Sigma Fi Xi we found this much. Now X bar is equal to sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. X bar is equal to what given? To 23,000, 2330 divided by 35. We are doing X bar is equal to, if we are dividing it, so number will come. If we dividing it number, dividing, then it will come 66.57 it will come, and that is the percentage of the literacy rate. 66.57% literacy rate is there in them. Like this we completed the finding the mean of the grouped data. Next we are going to next topic, that is the finding the mode of the mode. Now we are going to the next topic, mode. Mode means what? Mode means the repeated frequency, most repeated frequency. Most repeated frequency is called the mode. Suppose that I written the randomly some finding the mode of the ungrouped data. Ungrouped data first. Ungrouped data. Ungrouped data means what? That are not the CI not given. Suppose that I written the n number 0, 2, 5, 7, 2, 3, 5, 6, 5 and 7. In that what will be the mode in that? So to finding the mode, what number came more time? 0 came only one time. 2 came 2 time. 0 came one time. 2 number came 2 time. Tally we are doing 2 time. 3 will come only one time, and 4 not only came, 5 came. 5 how many time came? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. 3 time came 5. 6 came only one time. 7 came 2 time. 2 time. So which number came more time in this? The more number more came, 5 number came more time. The mode of this number, mode of this number are 5. Which number coming more times? That are called the more times come, that is called the mode. This is called the ungrouped data. Now finding the grouped data. To finding the grouped data, first of all we have to write the formula, and otherwise we have to write the first CI will come in that. CI will come, then F will come. F will come. In that F, after writing this, we are not going to write the in that X Fi, or that is called UI DI, that one not. In that we have to find the first formula. What is the formula? That in that is mode is equal to, we are writing total mode is equal to, first of all, in that F0 is there, F1 is there, like that are there. So F is equal to L. L means what? Limit of that one. What is the limit of that one? Means that is called the starting onwards. Lower limit of model class. Lower limit of model class. We are taking the one example, we learn it. Then into what will come f1. F means just succeeding of the before the number, then minus f0, f1 minus f0 by 2f1, 2f1 minus f0 minus f2. This we are learning in that, into h. This is the formula for that. What is the formula? Formula is L means lower limit of the model class plus F1 just next number, F0 before number, F2 after number, H the difference between that. Let's we are taking a one example and we are finding it from the one question of the our book only question taking. We are taking our question from the book and we are finding it. Question given here. The following table shows the ages of the patient admitted in a hospital during a year. These are the CI 510, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65. Now these are given the F 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. Find the mode and the mean. Mean to already we learned. You can do it. Mode of the given data. Compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. There is a little difference will come in that. So first we are finding the mode in that. Mean you can find easily. So I am writing first CI of this number. What are the CI in that? CI given in that 5 to 15. Then 15 to 25. Then 25 to 35. Then 35 to 45, then 45 to 55, then 55 to 65. Now frequency given 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. Now we are going to find these numbers. What are the F? What is the lower limit? What is the F0? What are that? Now in this, which is the highest number in that? Only see in the F. In the F, which is the highest number? This is the 23 is the highest number. 23 is the highest number. This is called the F1. This is called the upside, just upside, that is the F0. Downside, that is called the F2. And this is the number. This number is called the L. Okay, what is the difference? That is called the H in that. See how easy it is? Whatever the highest number in that frequency, that is the F1. Just above that frequency, that is the F0. Just below of F1, that is the F2. Then in front of that, that is the F, that is the L. That is the L. And what is the difference? That is called the highest height of that. Now keeping these numbers into the formula. So what is that? L. L is equal to 35 plus F1. F1 how much? 23 minus F0 21 by 2F1. 2F means 2 into F1 23. So 23 to the 46 minus F0. F0 is 21 minus F2 is equal to 14 into H. What is the difference in that? 5 to 15. 10 difference are there. 10. Now 35 plus 23 minus 21 is equal to 2. 2 by 46 minus this will 21 plus 14 is equal to 35. 46 minus 35 is equal to 11. 11 into 10 into 10. Now we are doing it 25. 2 10s are 20 by 11. Now this one we are adding it. 20 divided by 11 is equal to 1 ja 11. 9 become 90 upon 8 ja 88. 2 remaining. Again it will become that same only things will keep on reminding. It will come 1.8, again 20, again it will become that 20, then 9, 9, 8, 9, 8, like this only it will come. So 35 plus 1.818, so this will become 36.81. Okay, that much is the mode of this number. Let's we are taking the another one more example of the same questions. In that question number, there are the question number, total question, there are the 6 questions are there. In that 6 questions, randomly we are taking the another example of that question number 6 we are taking. Let the question number 6 we are taking. What is that? A student noted a number of car passing through a spot on a road for the 100 periods for each 3 minutes and summarized in the table given below. Find the mode of the data. This is the CI. What CI given in that? CI given in the 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and it is given like this. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. These are given 80. Now frequency given in that, F given in that, F given 7, 14, 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15, 8. It is given. Now what is the highest number in that? The biggest number in the only F in that. So this is the 20. 20 is the highest number. So this will become the F1. This will become upside, just upside, that will become F0. Downside, that will become F2. This side 20, that is become that L become, this is become the L. Now we are writing mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L how much? L is 40 plus F1 how much? 20 minus F0 how much? 12 by 2 F1. 22 is 40. 40 minus this what? 12 minus 11. And what is the H in this? What is the difference? 10 difference is there. Then 40 plus 20 minus 12 is equal to 8 by 40 minus this is become the 12 plus 11 is 23. So 40 minus 23 is equal to, it become the 17. So 17 into 10, this 10. Now we are doing it. So it will become the 40 plus 80 10 ja 8 10 ja 80 by 17. We are dividing 80 divided by 17. 17 4 ja 68. 68, remainder is 2, and 112, point kept, 0 kept. 17 7 ja 119, 7 ja 119, 1 remaining. Now 4.7. So the 40 plus 4.7 is equal to 44.7. So the mode of this number is 44.7. Like the video, share the video to your friends. We are next, in the next part it will become the median of the grouped data, ungrouped data for this next exercise. Remaining question will be homework if it is not found. Suppose that anywhere you are finding difficulty, please comment, ask that question. It will be made a separate video so that you can learn well. Learn with us. Thank you.